Today we start surface areas and volumes. So today we will start about cube and cuboid. This is a shape of cuboid. If length, breadth, height are equal, it is cube. It is cube. We know that how many rectangles are there in this cube? 6 rectangles are there in this cube. How many edges? 12 edges. How many vertex? 8. So what is the total surface area of this cube? Total surface area of cuboid. So how many length breadth? एक फ्लोर में एक सीलिंग है, तो हाउ मेनी लेंथ ब्रेथ? 2 लेंथ ब्रेथ. हाउ मेनी दिस? Suppose this is length, this is height, and this is breadth. So how many side breadth and height? How many? 2. And how many height and face of height and length is also 2. So if I take 2 common, it becomes LB plus BH plus HN square unit. If top is open, TSA of cuboid open lid. अगर टॉप ओपन है तो इसमें से एक लेंथ ब्रेथ कम हो जाएगा, तो इट बिकम्स लेंथ ब्रेथ प्लस 2BH. साइड वॉल्स ऐसी रहेंगी. सो यू टेक H कॉमन and 2 common, so 2L plus B into H. Then what is this? This is called area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls. That is lateral surface area. It is also called, or you can say that, lateral surface area. So lateral surface area, LSA of cuboid is equal to 2L plus B into H. It is also called perimeter of rectangle into height. Perimeter of rectangle into height. This is for cuboid. If I take cube, then what is the total surface area of cube? Now for cube, TSA of cube. If all sides are equal, it becomes 6 into L square or 6 into side square. Unit is square unit. Now, what is the lateral surface area या curved surface area? CSA or LSA of cube. 4 into side square, that is square unit. 4 into side square is square unit. In this also, if it is open lid is open, then it becomes 5 into side square. Open lid, TSA, open lid, it is 5L square unit. Now we will start exercise 13.1 of your exercise book. So question 1, see question first. See question first. Now, a plastic box 1.5 meter long, one plastic box is given to you. It is shape of cuboid. This is plastic box whose length is 1.5 meter long, breadth is 1.25 meter and height, deep height is 65 centimeter, or you can say that 0.65 meter. It is open at the top. It is open at the top. This is open. Given open at top. Ignoring the thickness of plastic. We ignore the thickness of plastic. She determined the area of sheet for making the box. Find area of sheet making box. Second, you have to find cost at rupees. Cost at 1 meter square is rupees 20. Now see here, unit should be same, open at the top. So how many area of sheet, कितना area लगेगा? TSA of open lid लगेगा plastic box का, plastic box. So I will calculate TSA of plastic box open lid. So what is the formula? Area of four walls plus length into breadth. Now putting the values, what is length? 1.5. What is breadth? 1.25. What is height? 0.65. What is length? 1.5. And what is breadth? It is, what is breadth? Breadth is 1.25. Now you add it, you will get 2 into 1.75 into 0.65 plus 1.5 into 1.25, that is square meter. Now if you add it, you will get, if you multiply this, you will get 3.75. If you multiply this, you will get 1.875. If you add it, you will get, this is meter square. If you add it, you will get 4. You will get, add 5 is 10, 7 15, 15 or 1, 13 4 and 5, 1 2 5, 5.40 meter square. Now cost of second part, this is first part. Now cost of making plastic box. What is the cost of this? It is 1 meter cost is 20 rupees. So it is 20 into 5.450 rupees. So if you multiplied it with 2, you will get 10, or 2 4 8, 9 and 10, and you will take point here. It is 109 rupees. Just point 109 rupees. Question number 2. The length, breadth and height of a room are, length, this is one room is given to you, length is given to you 5 meter, breadth is given to you 4 meter, height is given to you 3 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing of the walls and the ceiling of the room. Find cost of whitewashing. फ्लोर पे नहीं कराई है वॉशिंग, व्हाइट वॉशिंग ओनली ये नीचे क्या है, ओपन फ्लोर है, तो इधर कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगेगा? टीएसए ऑफ ओपन लिड लगेगा. क्या लगेगा? टीएसए ऑफ ओपन लिड लगेगा. तो कॉस्ट दी हुई है एट द रेट ऑफ 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट दी हुई है रुपीज 7.5. नाउ we calculate the area of room open lid. So TSA of room without floor है ना, TSA of room without फ्लोर। तो क्या हो जाएगा, एरिया ऑफ फोर वॉल्स प्लस लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ। So area of four walls, 2 length is 5, breadth is 4, height is 3, and length and breadth plus 5 into 4. So it becomes 2 into 9 into 3 plus 20. This will come in meter square. So if you multiplied it, 9 6 are 54 plus 20. So it is 74 meter square. Now cost of whitewashing is rupees 7.5 into 74. You have to multiply it, 75 and 74. 5 4s are 20, 28, 7 7 5s are 35, 49 or 3, 52. So it will become 0, 7 4s are 20, 7 4s are 28, so it is 30. So 5 5 5. It becomes rupees 555. Now I take question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. The floor of a rectangular hall has a parameter. Parameter is given to you. Parameter of rectangular hall is 250 meter. If the cost of painting the four walls at rupees, cost of painting at rupees, total cost of painting as rupees 10 per meter square is rupees 15,000. Find height of wall. Find height निकालनी है, height. You have to find height. See here. Cost of painting. Total cost is given to you. Cost is 1 meter. Cost is also given to you. So what is the area of four walls? So total cost divided by cost of 1 meter square. So total cost is 15,000 upon 10. This will cut, you will get 1500 meter square. This is the area of four walls. So what is the area of four walls come? What is the formula of area of four walls? Instead of this you can write 2L plus B, parameter of rectangle hall into height is equal to 150 meter square. So now putting the values, you will get what is the parameter. This is parameter. So you can write P into H 1500. So H is equal to 1500 upon parameter. This is what P is what? This is parameter. And parameter is given to you what? 250. 0 0 cut 25 6 यानी कि 6 meter. Height is 6 meter. So one more question I will do. Total cost is given to you 15,000, cost of 1 meter. So area will become, if you divide by total cost by 1 meter square, you will get the area of four walls. Area of four walls is parameter into height. Parameter given, height is 6 centimeter. 6 meter. Now, question 4. See question 4. The paint in a container is sufficient to paint an equal area to paint in container is given to you, paint in container whose total area is given to you 9.375 meter square. How many bricks of dimensions due here 22.5 centimeter into 10 centimeter into 7.5 centimeter is given to you, can be painted out of this container, can be painted. How many bricks of these dimensions? So total paint in the container is this. How many bricks with this paint you can paint it? So how will you calculate number of bricks? What is number of bricks? Total area. Total area is given to you this, divided by area of one brick. Area of one brick. Here it is meter square, here it is centimeter square. So convert it into centimeter, multiplied by 100 into 100, you will get 3.75 into 100 into 100 centimeter square. So this comes down 1000. This 30 and this comes. So it is 93750 centimeter square. So unit should be same. Now we have to calculate area of one brick. What is area of one brick? What is the shape of brick? Shape of brick is cuboid. This is brick and his shape is cuboid. His shape is cuboid. So area of one brick, that is shape of cuboid. So 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL centimeter square. So 2 LB 22.5 into 10 plus 10 into 7.5 plus 7.5 into 22.5. So this will comes out 2 into 2250, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 225, पॉइंट हट जाएगा 75. You have to multiply 225 into 75. 5 5 are 25, 10, 12, 10 or 11, 35, 14 or 3, 17, 14, 15. So it comes out 5, 7, 8, 6, 1. So it is how many points? 2. 168.75 centimeter square. So you add it, you will add 168.75, 225.00, 75.00. So 5, 7, thus 18, 18 or 16 and 468.75 centimeter square. So area of one brick is multiplied it, so it will become 10, 15, 17 and 12 or 3, 8 or 9. It will comes 93750 and point centimeter square. Now put the values here. Put the value of this and this here. You will get number of bricks. What is the total area? 93750. And what is the area of one brick? 9375.0. If you remove the point, it will go 93.75.50. So 2 points come up. One will cut. This will cut by 100. So how many bricks are there? 100 bricks are there. 100 bricks are there. Question 5. Cubical box has edge. One is cube box. Side is given to you 10 centimeter and other is cuboid box. Cuboid box. Dimensions is given to you. Dimensions are Dimensions are, length is given to you. Length is 12.5 centimeter. Breadth is 10 and height is 8 centimeter. Which box has greater lateral surface area? Number 1, greater LSA, and second is smaller TSA. Smaller TSA. किसका greater lateral surface area है, किसका smaller? So we will apply formula based question. So first we calculate LSA. LSA of cube is 6 into 4 into side square. So it becomes 4 into 10 square is equal to 400 centimeter square. Now LSA of cuboid. So what is the formula of LSA of cuboid? Area of four walls 2 into L plus B into H. So what is 2? What is L? 12.5 plus breadth 10 into H 8. So it's 2 into 22.5 into 8. So it is 22.5, 45 into 8. So it becomes 8 5s of 40 and 360 centimeter square. Now what is the difference? 400 minus 360 is equal to 60 centimeter square. Now this is the difference. So what is asking greater? Which is greater? Cuboid. Cube is greater by cube. Cube is greater area, greater TSA by 60 centimeter square. By 60 centimeter square. Now cube is greater here. Now smaller. Now TSA of cube is 6 into side square. So it becomes 6 tan ka square is equal to 600 centimeter square. Now TSA of cuboid is equal to what? Area of four walls 2L plus B into H plus 2LB. Area of four walls में सीलिंग एंड फ्लोर ऐड कर दीजिए तो इट इज TSA. सो दिस यू कैलकुलेट, इसको आप कैलकुलेट कर चुके हैं. कितना है? 360. दिस इज 360 प्लस 2 इंटू हियर यू कैन पुट 360 2 इंटू 12.5 इंटू 10. सो इट इज, ये पॉइंट हट जाएगा, 10 से 10 कट जाएगा, 1.250 हो जाएगा. 360 प्लस 250, 360 plus 250 you will get 0, 1 and 610 centimeter square. Now see which is smaller? Cube is smaller. So what is the difference? First you calculate the difference. 6. Question 6. A small indoor herbarium is made of entirely of glass pan. This is a herbarium. It is a shape of cuboid. It is a shape of cuboid, entirely made of glass panes including base, held together with a tape. इस पे टेप लगी हुई है. ऑफ लेंथ L दिया हुआ है 30 सेंटीमीटर, ब्रेथ दी हुई है 25 सेंटीमीटर वाइड एंड हाइट दी हुई है, एंड अगेन हाइट इज 25 सेंटीमीटर. You have to calculate area of ग्लास. सो एरिया ऑफ ग्लास, पूरा हर्बेरियम किससे बना हुआ है? ग्लास से. तो किस शेप में? क्यूबॉइड में. तो ये टोटल एरिया पूछ रहा है, मतलब TSA पूछ रहा है. किसका? किस शेप में? क्यूबॉइड शेप में. एक बात तो ये ठीक है, दूसरा है, सेकंड थिंग ही इज आस्किंग हाउ मच टेप नीडेड फॉर 12 एजेस. हाउ मच टेप needed 12 edges. So how many edges are there? 12 edges. ये क्या पूछ रहे हैं एक्चुअली? पैरामीटर इज आस्किंग. बाउंड्री, sum of boundaries is called parameter. So first we calculate TSA of cuboid. What is TSA of cuboid? TSA of cuboid या glass. This is the formula. Area of four walls. If you area of 4 walls plus 2 LB. एरिया ऑफ 4 वॉल्स में सीलिंग और फ्लोर जोड़ देंगे तो TSA हो जाएगा, या वो फुल फार्मूला लगा सकते थे मल्टीप्लाई करके. नाउ 2 ब्रैकेट व्हाट इज L? 30 plus 25. 30 plus 25 into H. What is H? 25 plus 2 into LB. 30 into 25. 30 into 25 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Now calculate it. 2 into 30 plus 25, it becomes 55 into 25 plus, it becomes 50 into 2 into 25, 50 plus 30 centimeter square. Now 2 into 25, 50 into 55 plus 50 into 55 plus 30 into 50. 30 into 50 is 1500 centimeter square. So 1500 centimeter square, and it is, now this is 55 into 5. 5 5s are 25 and 25, 2750. 2750 plus 1500, you add it, you will get 05 to 4250. 4250 centimeter square is the area. 4250 centimeter square is the area. Now we have to calculate perimeter of cuboid. Now how many lengths are there in room? 4 length, 4 breadth, 4 height. We know that there are 4 length, 4 breadth and 4 height. So total is 4 plus 4, 8 plus 12. So 4 कॉमन ले लीजिए, L plus B plus H सेंटीमीटर. Now putting the values 4, what is L? L is 30 plus 25 plus 25 centimeter. So it becomes 4 into 30 plus 50, यानी कि 4 into 80, तो 320 centimeter. So this is the tape required for pasting. Parameter is this, and area of glass pane is 4250 centimeter square. Question number 7. Shanti Sweets placing an order of making card boxes for packing their sweets. 2 sizes of box were required. 2 sizes of box. 2 size of box. Big box dimension. Big box dimension is, length is, the bigger box dimension 25, breadth 20 and height 5 centimeter. This is the bigger box dimension, and small box dimension is 15 12 5. 15 12 5. Length is 15, breadth is 12 and height is 5 centimeter. These are the 2 dimensions of boxes. Bigger box is 25 20 and 5, 15 12 and 5. For all the overlaps, total surface, extra surface area, extra area for overlap is 5%. Extra area of 5% of इसको आप ये भी कर लीजिए 5% ऑफ TSA, टोटल सरफेस एरिया का 5% और ऐड हुआ। इफ द कॉस्ट ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड इज ₹4 for 1000 centimeter square, it means 1 centimeter cost rupees 1000 upon 1 centimeter cost rupees कितनी हो जाएगी? 1000 की इतनी है तो 1 की कितनी हो जाएगी? So 1 centimeter cost rupees 4 upon 1000, 4 upon 1000, 1000 centimeter cost rupees इतना, so 1 centimeter is 4 upon 1000, unitary method. Now cost for 25, cost निकालनी है, cost for 250 each kind, 250 box each type. This you have to find. First we have to find the TSA of one big box. First we have to find the TSA of one big box. So it is 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL centimeter square. Now putting the values, 2 25 into 20 plus 20 into 5 plus 5 into 25 centimeter square. Now calculate it, 25 into 2 50, 500 plus 100 plus 25 125. So it becomes 2 into कितना होएगा 600 and 100 725. 2 into 725, it means it will come 200, कितना आ जाएगा 7 and 1450 centimeter square. It is a TSA of one big box. Now TSA of कितना ऑर्डर प्लेस किया 250, तो TSA of 250 big box is equal to कितना हो जाएगा 250 into 1450 centimeter square. This is the TSA. Not multiply, keep it as it is. इसको ऐसे रखिए अभी. Now second we find the TSA of one small box. So what is the formula? 2 bracket LB plus BH plus HL centimeter square. Now 2 bracket L कितना है 15 into 12 plus 12 into 5 plus 5 into 15 centimeter square. Now multiplied it, you will get 15 into 12 कितना होता है 180 plus 60 plus 75. So it becomes 2 into 180 240 or 70 240 180 plus this 240 or 75 315 into 630 centimeter square of one small box. So TSA of 250 small box कितना हो जाएगा 250 into 630 centimeter square. Now what is the total TSA? Total TSA दोनों को जोड़ दें. I add this plus this. So total TSA is equal to 250 into 1450 plus 250 into 630. Now if you take common, you can take common 250, you can take common, it becomes 1450 plus 630. Now it becomes, if you add it, you will get 008 and 0810. It becomes 250 into 2080 centimeter square. If you multiplied it, 208 को 5 से 25 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, you will get 40 and 10 16 and this is 2 8 16 and 4. It will comes out to be 5200. See here, 208 multiplied by 25, it becomes 5 8 is 40 5 2 is 10, 8 2 is 16, and 2 2 is 4. 0 0 1 2 5 2. It comes out to be 5,20,000 centimeter square. 5,20,000 centimeter square is the total surface area. Here I can write TSA of both. Total TSA कितना आया 5,20,000 centimeter square. This is the total TSA. Now how much extra? Extra is 5%. So I will calculate it here. Extra is 5%. 5% is extra. So now 5,20,000 into 5% extra. So 0 0 cut. So it becomes 5200 into 5. 52 into 5. 10. 2600. It is 26,000. So to net total surface area कितना आ गया? Net total surface area कितना आ गया? 52,000 plus 2600. Now if you add it, you will get 0 0 0. 3 तो 0 है ही. 0 0 0 and 6. 5,46,000. 5,46,000 centimeter square. 5,46,000 centimeter square is the total surface area. Now I will calculate the cost. Here you can see cost of 1 centimeter square is given to you. What is the cost of this? So I will calculate cost here. Rub this total one, है ना? Total surface area of big box I can rub, and cost of total cost, you can write total cost is equal to rupees 546,000 into 4 upon 1000. 3 zeros will cut, multiplied by this 5 4 6 are 24, 24 or 4 4 are 16, 8 and 8 hasil 2184 rupees is the total cost of making the box. Question 8. Parveen wanted to make a temporary car shelter box like structure with tarpaulin cover all 4 sides of the car with front face. He wants to make a car shed, and from the front it is a flap. So it is a car shelter cover. Its shape is cuboid, open at bottom, नीचे से open है. So we calculate the TSA of open box. So what is given to you, assuming that stretching margins are very small, height is given to you 2.5 meter, length is given to you 4 meter, and breadth is given to you 3 meter. Find the shed total surface area of tarpaulin. So how much car TSA of cuboid? We have to find TSA of cuboid. Open lid. So we know that area of four walls plus floor is not there, so we will calculate L into B. Now, what is L? 4 plus 3 into H is what? 2.5 plus LB 4 into 12. Now 2.5 into 2, it is 5 into 7 plus 4 into 3. So it becomes 12. meter square. So it is 35 sevens are 35 plus 12 meter square. It is 47 meter square. It is 47 meter square.